Really muddle it all up. So we're gonna make some drinks here today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get alerts on updated videos. All right, here we go. Okay, so we're gonna do an old fashioned today. We're gonna take a cherry. We're gonna take an orange. We're gonna take some Angostura bitters. 1, 2, 3. Do 3 dashes of the bitters. We're gonna take your muddler. Really muddle it all up. I'm gonna get all that good. Oops. Already fell.
Cut.
Then you're gonna fill it with the ice I just drank. Remember, my bloopers video. Fill it with the ice. Fill it with the bourbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you definitely want to do your stir. I make sure I do clockwise and counter. This is a stronger drink, so it has pretty much a double for an old fashioned. So I did definitely more than a 6 count, but then you want to take an orange peel. You're going to peel off the meat of it. And you just have the peel. You're going to make a twist and express it. I broke it, but you're going to express it over the cocktail. It gives it that orange zest. Good to go. I'm just going to top it with some more ice so it's fuller. All right.